Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you the subject foreign trade important questions for the students of Usmania University BCom semester 1 students for their upcoming examination December 2024. So students, watch the video with full concentration because whatever questions I'm sharing in this video, that questions are 100% important for your upcoming semester examination. Now, foreign trade unit first, short questions, letter of credit, certificate of origin, marine insurance, floating policy, bills of exchange, intraport trade. So unit 1 short questions, 6 questions I am sharing with you in this video. And first, letter of credit is very important. Certificate of origin is also very important, and floating policy is also very important, and sixth one intraport trade is also very important. So short questions, subject foreign trade, important questions you are watching in this video. So students, share this video with all your friends also. Now unit 1 long questions. First is define foreign trade, explain its features and types of foreign trade. 100% important question. Foreign trade, explain its features and types of foreign trade. Second, what is foreign trade? Explain types of documents used in foreign trade. This is also very important. Question number 1 is important. Question number 2 is also important. So students, start your preparation from these questions. Now unit 1 long questions. Third question, what do you mean by insurance? Explain different types of marine insurance. So maybe he will ask you what is marine insurance or types of marine insurance. It's very important. What is certificate of origin? That is also very important. So unit 1 long questions, 4 questions I am sharing with you. So from these four, any two you will get in your upcoming semester examination. Now unit 2 short questions. First, balance of trade, trade deficit, balance of payment, disequilibrium. So 4 questions for unit 2 short questions, important questions. Unit 2 long questions. First is what are the components of balance of trade and balance of payment? What are the differences between balance of payment and balance of trade? These two questions are very important. What are the components of balance of trade? Maybe you will get in short also. Now unit 2 long questions. Third question, explain the measures for correcting the disequilibrium in the balance of payment. And fourth is what are the causes of disequilibrium in balance of payment? So 4 questions I am sharing with you under unit 2 long questions. So from these 4, any 2 you will get in your semester examination. Students, start your preparation from these questions because these questions are very important, and share this video in your friends WhatsApp group also. Now short questions unit 3. First is trade policy, globalization, exim policy, special economic zone, SEZ, then merchandise export from India scheme. So 5 questions unit 3, important questions. Trade policy is very important, exim policy is also important, special economic zone, SEZ, this question is 100% important. Second, globalization is also important, exim policy is also important. Now unit 3 long questions. First, discuss on the highlight of current foreign trade policy. Very important question. Discuss the objectives and various foreign trade policies. Very important. Explain the exim policy of 2015 to 2020. Then last is what is foreign exchange control. Explain objectives of foreign exchange control. So students, foreign exchange control maybe you will get in short bits also. So 4 questions. From these 4, any 2 you will get, and question number 1 and 2 are very important for your upcoming semester examination. Unit 3 long questions. So under unit 3 only 4 questions I am sharing with you. Now unit 4 short questions first. Under that, first is trade blocks, very important. Free trade area, very important. Third is dumping. Fourth is Asian. Fifth is foreign exchange rate. Foreign exchange rate is very important. Define international trade. This is also very important. So unit 4 short questions you can see clearly on your screen. So students, share this video with all your friends and start your preparation from these questions. Now unit 4 long questions. What is foreign trade? Explain its importance, growth, merits and demerits. Very important question. Second, what is trade blocks? Explain its advantages, disadvantages and types of trade blocks. Very important. Explain the role of SAARC in the development of foreign trade. Very important. So students, these three questions are very important for your upcoming semester examination under unit 4. Very important questions. Start your preparation from these questions. So from these three, any two you will get in your semester examination. And students, other important questions for other subjects I already shared on my YouTube channel. So please visit there, see the videos, like the videos and share the videos with all your friends. Unit 5 short questions. New Development Bank, trade deficit, objectives of WTO, International Monetary Fund, IMF. So unit 5 4 questions I'm sharing with you for short, and these are very important. Unit 5 long questions. Explain the objectives, features and functions of WTO. Very important, 100% important. What are the objectives and functions of World Bank? Discuss its role in the development of the world's economy. Very important. Discuss the differences between GATT and WTO. Very important. Fourth, discuss the differences between IMF and IBRD. Fifth one, describe the features of the UNCTAD. So students, important questions from unit 5 long questions. So 5 questions in unit 5. First, objectives and features functions of WTO is very important. Second, objectives and functions of World Bank is also very important. And differences between GATT and WTO, it's also very important. Maybe this differences, third question, GATT and WTO, you will get in short bits also. And differences the between fourth question is also very important. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications will come to you directly. Thanks for watching the video.